So it's the bush time.
What is this?
That's a bag.
That's not a bag. Oh, it is.
Where is it?
Right here.
Where? So we have to pick this our poop.
Why are you recording it?
It's poop.
What you saying?
Carry more bags. Okay. Time to go to the jungle with the kids. There you go.
I need to run a mile.
Okay, yeah, a mile. Auntie does 2 miles. There. Okay. This one is a forced nature walk, so these kids can disconnect from the keyboard and get some fresh air with the dogs. Here's the dogs. Okay. This is my 4 children and my 2 dogs. Okay. You see the other one there has so much energy. There is a pond there. There is water there. Okay. Fresh air this COVID, at least in this forest. Seeing you too, Penny. Boaz, how are you? What's happening? Yeah. This is what's happening in current situation. This is a forced nature walk. Be careful, you know when people come, if they start attacking people, so you have to keep your leash closed.
Yeah, Mom, be strong. Mom.
It's inayumiza, si nitoa kamba hapo.
I'm trying, but he keeps...
Si usimame, sasa angalia.
Remember, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Pull it, just pull it. You gotta pull. Oh.
Si niilete karibu, don't let it iende sana.
It's Ryan. He's trying to run as fast as Ryan.
He wants to run?
Yeah.
So, the trail ends here. Paka steps.
Why are we going right?
No, this is where people go.
Let's go to the left.
We saw deer. We saw deer.
You noticed
So
that?
we can attack
Have you
them.
noticed that?
That's what.
This is like white people dog stuff. That's why you don't see pit bulls.
White people what?
White people dog stuff. That's why you don't see like pit bulls on
What do you mean?
dog trail. Like taking your dog on dog trail.
Oh, yeah.
So that is Simba right there. This is Kasimba. Sini, be careful your kamba itaikata tumbo tu sahi
Can
sahi.
you speak that in English?
Si ulan Kiswahili wewe.
Just let him do that and then you pull it. And then he eventually just jumps off. Instead of pull it.
Oh my God.
Kenya, you already tired? Sasa, you know Kenya got fixed. I mean Simba.
No,
He has
his cones for the walk because now it's all dirty.
No, well,
yeah, take it out.
No, because he's going to try to buy himself.
No, he will not.
Who's gonna kick? Yes, he will. He'll stop and he'll
Take it out for a minute. Let's see.
Kenya got fixed.
Sini hebu itoa.
He's still the same.
Mom, Ronnie said don't take it off.
Take it off for a minute.
No. That's the point.
You gonna put it back on?
Yeah, itoe tu.
Alright, take it off. I don't know what she said.
Toa.
Calm.
What? Obe?
Take it.
This dog is a mess.
Hey, plug my phone.
Sasa ikiona mtu, hey, it's going to go crazy.
That's why I need to hold it tight. And it's a rope. So
I can put this in my pocket because I'm built different.
Ebu, let's go. There's nothing they're smelling there. Let's go.
Yank his face. Hey!
You see, they are so curious, Dylan. They are not even thinking about Kunim.
What do you call?
We don't watch him. He's gonna just.
What do you call a dog with the cone?
Ew, he looks so ugly.
Hey Siri.
We just hit John.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Ryan, plug the phone in and stop jumping it.
He's ass.
This sini toa. Oh.
Hold on.
Ah, Kenya.
No, we're not picking it up.
Yeah, that's
In the woods you don't.
on the chair. Someone's picking it up. That's not me.
Honorable Kefa Ruth Sarange. Say haro. What did I tell you? I used to kill snakes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No one believes me.
Nobody believed?
What? I didn't say that.
Oh, I believe I kill snakes. I'm looking for snakes right now. And I'll show you how I'll kill them. Faith, hi.
Kevin Hart said family walks are actually good.
What?
Kevin Hart.
Said what?
Family walks.
Oh, family walks are the best.
It's supposed to
Kevin
be
Hart
an
look-
essential.
Yeah, some like part of the family. Tata, don't go there. There's water there.
Yes, they do.
Imagine Kenya fell down there.
That's it. Are you gonna rescue her?
Absolutely.
You won't let her just die in the mud?
No, it's not that far. You can go.
What if you go there and you're stuck?
Get it. Hold her. Cindy, hold him close. Hold him close.
Cindy, bring him like really close to you.
Like that's good. That's good.
Okay, come on, let's pass real fast.
And walk close. Walk.
Walk on this side. We are preparing for people.
He doesn't see that.
Don't worry, ladies.
Cindy. Good, how are you, Cindy? Yes. No. Zinaitwaje hizo madogi? This one is called Simba. The white one is Simba.
Are you
This
alive?
one. Yeah. This one here is Kenya.
So racist.
We are trying to teach them to respect people, but
Kenya's respectful. Simba.
if the dog goes to the madam,
But he doesn't want to bite them. He just wants to smell them.
but then he might bite them in the process.
Bite. He'll act like he's all cool.
Cindy, now you can extend the leash. Extend the leash.
Ow.
What? These dogs are pulling you like that?
No, it's the rope.
Lydia Nyagaka, how are
He's
you?
actually low-key strong.
No, he is.
He be.
You know why a lot of people don't take walks, nature walks, because they work different schedules. But if you have time, Cindy inaumia. But if you have time, you need to take them.
Mommy, I was playing the hood and you guys messing up.
Who was playing the hood?
Kenya, not
The
you already
video
got a
games?
breath, fatty. You already got her tongue out and everything.
So you choose video games over nature walk?
No.
What?
Ryan, is my phone charging?
What are they smelling? Other dogs? Let's go.
No, they just smell they're gonna pee.
Cindy, chunga hiyo kamba isiumize.
No, I have 5G means Samsung.
There you go.
No, it's fine.
One of you needs to be far from the other one. Dylan, hebu enda mbele.
We just did that like that.
Let's go for it. Come on, let's go.
Mom, hold this! Let's go!
Cindy, waachilie tu.
Someone has to hold it. No, you're gonna let go.
Mom,
Simba.
can you put this in your pockets?
Let me see. Give it in mine. Put it in.
Ebu.
Abu's not here, Mom.
No, I said Ebu. Mpatie ingine.
Abu, but see.
Abu's not here, Mom.
Here!
It's my husband. My son is in love with Kenya. Oh, somebody loves Kenya. Kenya is nice and polite, but that Simba is just something else. You hear the echo?
Hello.
You hear it? Cindy, have you been through here? Oh, we done. By yourself? In the morning? All by yourself? Oh, I didn't know.
But I wouldn't come all the way this trail. I only did the small. So like,
Yes, this is wonderful, and that's why I come live. I just want to encourage other families to try this. It's not easy. The kids can say no. Some of these children, they don't want to listen. This one said no, but
No, you didn't.
it was scheduled. But you know what? It's just nice. Kenya, you're still resting?
Yeah.
Oh. So you have to like really make them. Just make them because they have to get used to it. At least every other day is not bad. You know? Just for them even to breathe fresh air. You know, some of us who grew in Africa or in Kenya, there was not much pollution. But even here, if you're in the house, you're running the air conditioner, you're running the heat. It is a lot of chemicals for the children, you know? So they need that fresh air. So I need to run to keep up. My God, the grandma has to run. Ooh-wee. Let me keep up the kids and the dogs. Yeah. The trail is clear. I think it rained yesterday. Go this way, to the right. Oh. Go this way, but stay to one side. Cindy, bring it close this way. Cindy, bring it close. Bring it close, Cindy. You see the Kenya? Hold it close. Kenya, stop. See? Simba, hold it close. Let's go.
You know which way's back to the park?
What's that?
You know which way's back to the park? I think that way's back to the park.
Oh, back to the park is this way.
Wait, that way?
Yeah. If you go up, you're going to make a left. Go all up. You'll come right here and make a left. Ah, yeah. Oh.
I love your winning. We have one too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
This one is nicer. That one there, I don't know what's going on. It's so aggressive. Yeah, is this your first time here?
No, I haven't been here since I was a kid. It's his first time.
Oh, it is a nice trail. It's quiet.
I used to walk here all the time with my mom. She used to bring me and my siblings.
Oh, it's just the same way I'm doing it now. But you see what happens after some time you start doing what your mom used to do. You know, that's nice. It's good to...
Here forever. I live down the road now. I live closer than I ever did.
Where are you now? In
Hainesport.
Oh, Hainesport.
Right up, literally just turn on a Martin Highway.
Oh, nice. You grew up in Hainesport too?
No, I grew up in West Hampton.
Oh, West Hampton.
Where are you guys from?
West Hampton. Yeah, but we are from Kenya. Originally from Kenya, yes. Yeah, nice fresh air with all these things going on. So if you go up the hill, you're going to find the park. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Am I really gonna keep up? Oh, this is an uphill. You see? Oh, Sydney, bring the dog closer. Sydney, close to you. Sydney. You see, this dog is nice and calm. Our dog is Sydney. 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 My goodness. Look.
Let go of it. No, you did. But like you didn't know how to hold it in the first place.
This our dog.
No, that was not hard. You just gotta pull it.
Look at this one. Calm down.
No.
Be a clown. Do a whole clown.
Did you see the other dog so calm? I think he's old.
Ryan saw the dog and said, ooh, and let Simba go to the dog.
I said, ooh.
So you think it's funny?
Yeah, he thinks it's funny.
No, you can't. It can bite the people.
I was holding it, and I said, ooh.
My goodness. Kenya, you're the only nice dog here.
No, she's still running.
When you see people, Cindy, you have to bring the dog closer to you.
Kenya's fur goes up.
This is uphill. My God.
That little,
Huh?
you branch under that little hole.
Yeah. Where? The other day?
Yeah, no, on next week, last week,
Uh-huh.
we went on the rock.
Yeah. Oh no, you want to still go there?
No,
That rock is difficult.
I want to go in.
You'll jump?
Yeah.
That's hard.
Oh, a pimp.
Oh my goodness, this is... Aya! Okay, you guys are going to hurt the dogs. Oh, we are climbing up in the mountains. By the way, I'm sweating. You see me here? I'm so warmly dressed. I'm sweating. This is tough. Same trail we did yesterday. Oh, yesterday, the other day. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of beautiful trees that have fallen here. Okay, old trees. Okay. Gosh.
So he peed and pooped.
Where is Kenya? Oh, Uncle John is here.
He put his leg up to pee, then he pooped.
Uncle John, the driver, is here.
Hi, Uncle John.
He didn't even
So here, stop and say hi. Here.
even poop.
John,
Oh, he didn't.
look at Sydney. Sydney here. Oh, wait.
Hi.
This is how big Sydney is. Sydney is 19 now. Say hi to Uncle John,
Hi.
the driver.
Hi.
Tata, remember Uncle John?
Yes.
Yeah. Say
Hello,
hi.
hello, hello.
Yeah.
Wait, is this on right now?
Yeah, he's right here.
Oh.
Okay. All right.
Can I run?
There is Kenya. Kenya is here. Huh?
Can I run?
Say hi to Uncle John.
Hi.
You saw him when you were like 2 years old.
Can I run?
Yeah, run. We'll find you at the park.
You hold this?
Yeah. Go on. Oh my goodness. Kenya is a nice dog. The other dog is a big mess. Ooh. He knows the road. The problem, if you find a snake, are you going to be able to know what to do? Let him run.
What are you supposed to do?
He wants to run.
Hurt, bro. And he keeps running.
You want me to take it? You want me to take it? Here. Here, mommy. Here, do the live.
No, I don't want to do that.
Okay. Let me... You want me to help you?
No, I want Ryan to stop running. He was walking perfectly fine. And then
Ooh, the dog?
yes, and then Ryan starts running like a maniac. And now he's running. Look, now he's on crack. Look.
Yes, John. I'm about to be cholera very soon. My daughter is in college. Cholera, you know what cholera means? You have in-laws.
Not okay. Oh.
When you get in-laws.
That means grandma.
No, cholera is in-laws. Like now.
It's no in-laws.
Yeah, I'm soon going to be a mother-in-law to somebody.
It's no in-laws.
I'll have when you get married, you get in-laws.
Keep walking. You said you were running. Can you get out of our sight? For real.
Cindy, be nice. That's my son you're talking to.
Dylan said let him get lost.
No.
I'm saying, so Simba doesn't see him.
Simba is chasing him? The problem is if you let Simba chase him and he meets people, he's gonna bite them. He's very aggressive. Okay. So we are back. So when they fix these dogs, they put them this cone on their neck. You see this cone? Around their neck. Okay? This nature walk, my goodness. I'm actually sweating. It is so difficult to walk up the mountain. Sarah, how are you? I'm here. You know I still have little babies. Huh? So I forced them for like 1 hour to just walk with the dogs. See Ryan there? They left me. Oh my goodness. These kids. Am I ever gonna catch up with them? Are they? Huh? I I can't run. This sand is everywhere. Okay, we came out. Okay, good people. Have a lovely day. Make that time to just take this. If you have children, take them out for a minute. Okay, fresh air here is very, very good. Yeah, and there's a lot of people here walking. Even if it's 45 minutes, not too much time. Okay, and you know when you tell these kids, let's go do something, they don't want. And you know if you don't force them, they're going to look back and say that you should have made me. Why didn't you? Why didn't you? So when they're this young, just tell them, let's go. Start asking for 10 minutes, go to 15 minutes, go to 20 minutes, and then make it an hour, okay? You just have to try slowly. They'll get used to it. It's not easy, especially if you have a gap with your kids. If you have a big gap, try to do something that is going to bridge that gap. You forgot me? You're barking at me now? Yeah. Simba, you are not a good dog.
He's like,
He just barked at you. He thought you were somebody else.
Yeah, because he can't see me. Kenya, you're nice. Oh, God. Okay. You want
put
to
the
do
phone
it
back
one
on
more
him.
time?
Do what?
Walk back? Okay.
I'm out of breath. Simba just almost dragged me down that hill.
Which hill?
That one.
Simba is
fast.
strong.
And he's strong.
He's a baby.
He's strong.
Yeah, so.
Kenya is not. No. Kenya is not.
Okay,
fast.
guys.
She's just like bunnies with girls.
Cheers.
Now she can
We're gonna do. I think we're gonna do one more round.
No, we're not.
Let's go turn right. Yeah,
Oh,
one.
you said turn right? Okay, turn right, guys. You said turn right.
No,
Ryan,
we're
you're
not doing
really
that wrong.
smart.
I know, that's where the car is.
Okay, guys. Let me negotiate here. How many times are we
Okay,
doing
yo,
this?
you want to go one more time?
yeah, let's go.
Okay, good. We agreed.
Then I'm not holding this.
I'll hold the dog.
I want to go home in time.
Yeah, neither do I, but whatever.
Can we sit? Can we?
No, let's do it. I'll leave these things here.
No, who's going to steal it? What time is it?